How to report a resale to RRA. If you are an art market professional or a member of GLAM, this video is designed to guide you through reporting a professional qualifying resale through the RRA Portal. First, make sure you're registered with RRA. Please go to www.resaleroyalties.co.nz and click on RRA Portal in the top right corner. Alternatively, save the URL to your favorites: portal.resaleroyalties.co.nz. Log in with your email address and password. There is a Forgotten Password button if you need to reset your password. Once logged in, select Sales Reports in the top right menu. Then select New Report. From here, you can either fill in the form or use our Excel template. To fill in the form, complete all the mandatory fields which are required by law and marked with a red asterisk. Click on Add Line to report multiple resales in one report. Alternatively, to report bulk resales, it can be easier to use our Excel template. Select the bulk upload and then Download template. This will download an Excel document that you can fill in. Again, all mandatory fields are marked with a red asterisk. The mandatory fields are the artwork name, if known, a brief description of the artwork, name of the artist or artists, if known, the date on which the resale was completed, the name and contact details of who is liable for paying the resale royalty, the earliest date they became aware that they were liable to pay the resale royalty, the earliest date they became aware that they were liable to pay the resale royalty, the resale value in New Zealand dollars, exclusive of GST. This means the amount not including tax, duties or levies, or any costs associated with the resale, for example, a commission or a buyer's premium. For more information on resale value, see the FAQs on our website. Was the sale subject to GST? For more information, please refer to the IRD on the different options. The optional fields are catalogue name and number, artist's year of birth, artist's year of death, artist's nationality. Once you have completed the form and saved on your computer, click on the bulk upload, then the Upload Data button, and select your completed report to open. Once the template is uploaded or the form completed, click Submit. On the Submit Request confirmation, click Yes. If any mandatory fields are missing, you will receive an error. Please go back and fill in these details to successfully submit your report again. Once submitted, you will see an option to retrieve submission. This is only available temporarily, as once RRA has started processing the report, changes can no longer be made. If you have any questions about the information required or need to make a change and can no longer retrieve the submission, then please contact us at resaleroyalties.co.nz. What happens next? Once RRA has processed your report, you will see it listed under your closed reports. For the royalties that have been approved, RRA will send an invoice by email. Typically, there will be one invoice per report submitted. Once RRA receives your payment for the invoice, we match the payment with the artist or successor and notify them in our next royalty distribution. This happens quarterly. You have now submitted your resale report and paid the royalty, and our aim of celebrating the arts and supporting its legacy can continue to grow.